Alright, today we're going to take a look at a really nice lookup table called Stylish. I'm using Photoshop as the demo. You can use this in any video editing software such as DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, Final Cut Pro, and more. So let's check out our LUT. Here's before and here's after. Before and after, you can always use different blend modes. I always like soft light. You can dial it in where you see fit. All the video editing software has this feature of blend mode. And if you're looking for more lookup tables like this, check out the Complete Collection by Preset Pro. Now I've already loaded some into Photoshop here. Let's try the eChrome 200. Has a nice warm tint to it. Dial that back. The cool thing is you can always mix these and really come up with some really nice looks. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll put a link down below so you can download this free lookup table. And I'll also put a link down below for the Complete Collection by Preset Pro. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.